Why my Adzan don't have a sound? Firstly, check your phone to see if it has been set to Do Not Disturb mode. If it is, this is probably the main cause why your Adzan sound is not working properly. For iOS devices, Apple has set the maximum length for audio alert sound notification to be 30 seconds only. This may probably be the reason why your Adzan sounds too short. Meanwhile, for Android devices, if the battery settings have been set to battery saving mode, it may disturb the As Salah sound notification settings. Follow this tutorial to remove As Salah from these settings. First, open Settings. Then select Battery and Performance. Then click the setting icon. Select App Battery Saver. Choose As Salah and set it to No Restriction. For more information, please visit our FAQ page.